mountain, do not destroy the trees. Kaya the trees, the growth of the trees are prevent, or the rainfalls of floods are it makes it makes the floods if you destroy many trees of the mountain, especially near of the river and near of the sea. Also watch my video so that you all know that do not destroy many trees of one. You planting trees in the mountain so that no one floods or cannot be heparin or cannot be cause of floods, cannot produce a floods, so that you know that persons at youngs are agrarian reforms that yourself cannot bear at the trees. Okay, can understand my English speaking. Thank you.